So philosophically, you could think of ThoughtSpot as, think about dashboarding versus search analytics, self-service analytics. Dashboarding is going to be used to inform those high-level, sort of North Star questions and KPIs. You're going to want to have, very clear, well-polished executive-facing design on those KPIs, how they're presented. Where ThoughtSpot comes in, you can do all of that in ThoughtSpot, but with the added benefit of searching and drilling down deeper into the questions that may not be answerable by a dashboard. So I'm actually going to show you what this would look like in practice using our demo here. So what we're looking at right here is it's in our InterWorks Curator, which is an embedded analytics portal. It's a place where you can bring all of your BI tools together in one platform and manage, customize, brand your analytics across multiple tools, supporting ThoughtSpot, Power BI, Tableau. In this case, what we're showing is an example of that same data set we just looked at, that restaurant data set. Here, embedded at the top, we have a Tableau dashboard, even though it doesn't necessarily look like one, but this is an embedded Tableau dashboard with all of our high-level KPIs. We have the ability to drill into higher level, like predefined analyses paths or things that were pre-configured for us. And then below it, we have our ThoughtSpot search interface embedded. So in this case, right, let's just say we wanted to do a deeper dive on year-to-date comp sales. We can do comp sales this year. And we can do that by region. Okay, so it looks like it's the same across the board, but you can see how, embedding these two together, right? This, like in this particular instance, it allows you to ask the more nuanced questions that, say this more executive-facing dashboard can't answer right off the bat. And it gives you the ability to, the flexibility to ask the more nuanced questions, present the data in a myriad of ways. And most importantly, if this is a query that is expected to be turned around quickly, you can share it, you can save it, you can show the underlying data, you can export it really quickly. So, without needing to write any SQL. There's so many instances where I've had to, or, where I've heard of folks building a dashboard and then having to go and generate a query for something that's, just requires a few more filters within that dashboard. And it requires, sort of going back to the source data. And in here, you could ostensibly just search for it, download it, or share it with that user instead. So this is an example of how, Tableau or, another BI tool that is more enterprise dashboarding can be used with ThoughtSpot or a self-service search analytics tool.